Before I start this presentation, I really want to tell you one thing. Please remember this. You are not alone. Hello everyone, my name is Kamonohashi. Everybody call me Kamo. I am famous for teaching Japanese on YouTube and famous for broken English speaker. Today I have an announcement. Hiragana Katakana Academy on YouTube by Kamonohashi has started by now. I had tried to teach you web learning Japanese, some tips for learning Japanese, or sometimes I talk about Pokemon or anime to make your Japanese learning more fun. To be honest, I didn't know what should I do on YouTube in a long time. So I have done my activity almost with no plan. It's just like an adventure without a map. Speaking of adventure, Monkey D. Luffy is keeping his adventure to find One Piece. But what should I find? What should I do? Japanese learning. For this topic, there's a lot of things. Kanji, grammar, diary, speaking, listening, or some Japanese learners want to know picking up girls or picking up men, aren't you? Anyway, I didn't know what should I do. But recently, I found my One Piece. By YouTube Analyze, I found surprising fact. Now I tell you how many views of my some videos. Japanese learning, tips for long sentence making, request lecture. 64 views. Learn Japanese from news. Vaccine, COVID-19 in HiraganaWords and KanjiWords, current Japanese. 33 views. Shorts. Learn Japanese in HiraganaWords and Kanji. Theme Park. 1 minute Japanese lesson. 377 views. Japanese Hiragana words, flashcards for beginners, basic words. $9,709 views. Short, Kamonohashi plays Slicer, Velvet Revolver. 2. And I got comment recently that is, "Hi sensei, thank you for this. I'm just starting to learning Japanese and currently memorizing hiragana and katakana. I hope to learn a lot from your channel." I noticed hiragana is not easy for you all. I think language in this world divided in two types. One, similar to English. Germany, Italy, French, English, Portuguese. Language in Europe or in American continent. And one more type, Japanese, Arabic, Russian, Korean, Chinese. These languages have their unique alphabet style and unique pronunciation. Furthermore, FSI, Foreign Service Institute, researched difficulty level of world language for English speakers. How many hours people need to study the language to acquire. Level 1. Portuguese, Spanish, Italy, Dutch, and 5 more languages. About 600 hours. Level 2. French 950 hours. Level 3 Germany, Indonesian, Malay, Swahili 900 hours. Level 4 Thai, Russian, Greek language, Finnish, Turkish language, and 41 more languages 1100 hours. And level 5 Arabic, Korean, Chinese, and Japanese 2200 hours. 2200 hours. If you study Japanese very hard, study Japanese 12 hours in a day and keep it every day, you needed to keep that about 6 months. Keep 12 hours studying 6 months. By the way, what is the most horrible for us? Demon, ghost, bank statement, or your wife? Guys, let's go home early today. But I think the most horrible thing is loneliness. If your wife is so horrible, but you also can feel peace of mind, pleasure, and you can have a good time with her. If you are alone, you can't have such a pleasure. More badly, loneliness makes us sick or kill us. You will do loneliness starting with 6 months or more. You die for Japanese study? No. Now please remember what I said first today. You are not alone. I'm here. For your no loneliness Japanese studying, I prepare some lessons like an academy. Lesson 1. The first training to learn Japanese hiragana. Lesson 2. Hiragana training to learn its reading. Lesson 3. Japanese katakana training. Lesson 4. Best way to learn Japanese hiragana pronunciation for English speakers. Lesson 5. Let's master Japanese hiragana o. Lesson 6. Difference between e and e. Lesson 7. How do we use hiragana and katakana depending on the cases? Lesson 8. Japanese sentence making training with hiragana. Lesson 9. Japanese sentence making training with hiragana and katakana. Lesson 10. Graduation and more. And I also prepare Japanese diary example. Let's make diary in hiragana. Japanese diary example. Let's make diary in hiragana and katakana. And flashcard for beginners hiragana. Flashcard for beginners katakana. Why I concentrate on basic Japanese hiragana lesson is I noticed that beginners need much of support than I thought. So of course, I'll keep other lessons too. Pokemon Japanese, Japanese word from news, Japanese fairy tale. I'll keep this too. Now Hiragana Katakana Academy on YouTube by Kamonohashi has started. No application, no automation fee, no entrance exam, just one action required. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and push the bell mark for notification. Hey, it is easier than Harvard, isn't it? First lesson, lesson 1, we will start September 10. I'm waiting for you on the screen. Thank you for watching. See ya.